Today we'll discuss about the new chapter, chapter number 9, differential equations. What do you mean by differential equation? If I'll talk about the differential equation, an equation involving derivatives if of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called a differential equation. That means earlier we used to say, let's suppose I am having sin x plus cos y is equivalent to 0. So this is your normal equation. If I am saying x square minus 3x plus 3 is equivalent to 0. So this is your normal quadratic equation where we are using independent variable and dependent variable. Let's suppose we are using only x and y variable. But whenever we are talking about the differential equation, x will be your independent variable, will be your dependent variable. In this type of equations, we'll use the derivatives. Let's suppose this is the equation x into dy by dx plus y is equivalent to 0. So this is one of the example for the differential equation where we are using differentials or derivatives in the equation where derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable x. Now, differential equation will have two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation. Next one is partial differential equation. So what do you mean by ordinary differential equation? A differential equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable. Dependent variable means y with respect to only one independent variable. That means you will be getting x only both times. That means whenever you are taking any of the differential equation which is said to be ordinary, whenever we are taking differential, whenever we are involving any derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. That means in the denominator you will be getting x only if you are getting derivatives in the form of the ordinary differential equation. And what is the difference between partial differential equation? These are the differential equations involving derivatives with respect to more than one independent variable. More than one independent variable means in the denominator you can have other than x also. That means more than x. So but in the syllabus of NCERT or as per the board examination point of view, you are supposed to solve the questions related to the ordinary differential equation only. So in our syllabus, we need to rigid ourselves for the differential equation. That means whenever they are saying solve the differential equation, that means they are talking about the ordinary differential equation only. Okay. In the first exercise, they will ask about that calculate the order of the differential equation and the degree of the differential equation. So this exercise is based on order of the differential equation and degree of the differential equation. What do you mean by order of the differential equation? Order of the differential equation means you need to think about the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. That means whenever we'll have dy by dx or d square y upon dx square, so we need to check the order of the highest order derivative. So that means we need to take the order of the highest order derivative. If dy by dx is given and d square y upon dx square is given. So highest order derivative. Okay, we'll take the example later on. Firstly, I will tell you what do you mean by degree of a differential equation. Then I will give you the examples for both the things, order as well as for the degree. For the degree of differential equation, it must be a polynomial equation. So this is the first condition. So whenever you are checking about the degree of the differential equation, it's very important that it should be a polynomial equation. Then only you are able to calculate the degree. Otherwise, if this is not a polynomial equation, then it will be called as not defined in the case of degree. So when it is a polynomial equation in derivative, we mean the highest power of what? Highest power of the highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. So we need to take the highest power of the highest order derivative. So now see the example, it will be better for you to understand. And whenever we are calculating order and degree, do remember they are always positive integrals. Now look at the question examples. Dy by dx is equivalent to e raised to the power x. So this is the normal ordinary differential equation. And this is a polynomial function which includes derivatives only. Now order of the highest order derivative. So order of the highest order derivative means this is dy by dx, this is the highest one. So if this is the highest one, what is the raised to the power? So you need to check only the order. We'll talk about degree later on. Order is dy by dx. So maximum derivative will be having only for the first order derivative. So order is 1. Degree means power of the highest order derivative. Here I am having only one first order derivative. So power will be raised to the power 1. So that means raised to the power 1. This is your degree 1. Now come to the next question. In the next question, highest order derivative is 2. So order is 2. What is the degree? Degree means degree of the highest order derivative. So degree of the highest order derivative is 1. And before that you need to check this is a polynomial equation. So this is degree exists. In this question, this is third order, this is second order. So highest order derivative is 3. So order is 3. And now you need to check the degree. Degree is you need to take the degree of the highest order derivative. So this is 1, this is 3. Now do not think answer is 3. We need to take the power of the highest order derivative. So this is the highest order derivative, power is 1, and this is again a polynomial equation, so degree is 1. Order, highest order is this, so answer is 3. Degree, first order, second order, third order. So here this can be written as this, so degree is 1. This is a polynomial equation. Highest order, this is first order, this is first order, so answer is 1. Highest power of the highest order. This is also first derivative, this is also first derivative. This is 1, this is 2. So we'll take the highest. Degree is 2. And this highest order is 1 only, but this is not a polynomial function. Sine of y can be possible, but sine of derivative is not possible. So this is not your polynomial equation. That's why degree is not defined. Or this thing you already aware that dy by dx can be written as y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. So this thing you need to remember. Sometimes question will be given in this form. Now come to the exercise 9.1. In exercise 9.1 you need to tell order and degree. So I have taken all the questions including MCQ. Now just tell me. For the first question, order will be what? Order will be 4. This is a polynomial equation? No. Sign of derivative. Third order, second order, first order, doesn't matter. But it is not defined. This is highest order is 1. Highest order is 1. If I'll talk about degree, degree is what? Degree is also raised to the power 1. Highest order is 2. So highest order is 2. If I'll talk about degree will be here. If I'll talk about here, degree will become 1. So degree will become 1. Come to the next question. In this question, highest order is 2. Okay, is that a polynomial equation? No. So this is degree is not defined. Here, highest order is 2. If I'll talk about degree, this is the highest order. So degree is 1. Highest order is 3. Degree is 2. Highest order is 3. Again, this is a polynomial function. If this is a polynomial function, power is 1. So degree is 1. Highest order 1. Sorry, this is come here. And this is your 3 and 1. Okay. Here, this is a polynomial equation. For order, you need not to check. Highest order is 2. Degree is, now see, highest order is this. So, degree is 1. Now, for the 10th question, highest order 2, degree is also 1. Look at this. This is not a polynomial equation. So, you need to check only order. Order is 2, not defined. And if I'll talk about this, order is 2. And if I'll talk about degree is 1. So, this is your exercise 9.1.